Blue Sort 26, more number prefixes. This week we'll talk more about number prefixes. This sort introduces 5 number prefixes, quad and quar, which both mean 4, quint and pent, which both mean 5, oct, which means 8, des, which means 10, and cent, which means 100. Let's first sort our words by the number prefixes, then we'll talk about a few of the words that may have meanings that you don't know. Centigrade, century, quartet, quintessential, octave, octet, percentage, quintet, decimal, centennial, bicentennial, quadruple, quadrangle, quintuplets, octagon, pentagon, quadruplets, centimeter, decade, decimate, quarter, decathlon, and quadruped. As stated before, oct means 8. So octave, octet, and octagon all have to do with the number 8. You're probably most familiar with the word octagon. It is an 8-sided figure in geometry. Octave and octet both have to do with music. You've probably heard the word quintuplets before. Quintuplets refers to 5 siblings born at the same time. The word quintessential, or if you look at the main word, quintessence, refers to the purest or highest essence of something, such as she was the quintessence of gymnastic ability. Historically and literally, this means the 5th and highest essence after the essences of air, earth, fire, and water. If we use the word quintessential, it may be used like this. We now have the quintessential recipe for tacos. That would mean that the recipe is the most representative one for tacos. Once again, pentagon, you've probably heard before in geometry. It is a 5-sided figure. And quintet, once again, refers to music. A quintet is a group of musicians, 5 musicians, who are playing together. The prefix des, as in decimal, refers to the number 10. A decade is a group of 10 years. Decimate, you may have heard the word before, but it originally referred to the killing of every 10th person, a punishment used in the Roman army. Today, this means the killing of any large proportion of a group. A decathlon is a sporting event that includes 10 different sports. Cent is 100. Centigrade, century is every 100 years. Percentage, all percentages are out of 100. Centennial, that means something that happens every 100 years. Bicentennial, that would mean, because we know last week that bi means 2, so that would mean something that happens every 200 years. And then centimeter. And then we have quad and quar. Quartet is a group of 4 musicians playing together. Quadruple, that means multiply by 4. A quadrangle is a four-sided figure. Quadruplets is a group of 5 babies that are born together. It takes 4 quarters to equal $1. And quadruped. And quadruped actually means having 4 feet. Now that we've explored several number prefixes, you may be wondering why there are different prefixes for 1, 2, 4, and 5. The reason for that is Greek had its own words for these elements, and Latin had other words. Those are both ancient languages. Both sets of number elements survived and continue to be passed down through other languages without significant change. If you have questions on your number sort, please let your teacher know.